Today, it is recognized that menstrual blood contains stem cells, essential elements in many beauty treatments. In addition, it is composed of pure and vital nutrients such as zinc, copper, and magnesium. These elements have been shown to be beneficial for the skin, helping to improve appearance, texture, and overall health. Menstrual blood has been used in skincare products, such as primers for acne scars, due to its regenerative and reparative properties. It has also been touted for its abilities to give skin a brighter, smoother appearance. But did you know that in the past, menstrual blood was added as aphrodisiacs to drinks and foods? Today, in Extraordinary Walks, we tell you. According to historians, in 18th century Germany, women's menstrual blood was not considered waste, but rather a valued aphrodisiac added to food and drink. This supposed aphrodisiac enjoyed esteem in medieval and Renaissance Europe. In his 13th century book The Aphrodisiac Kitchen, Fraser cites a comment by Bishop Birdrat of Worms on the matter. Have you already done what some women are wont to do? They save their menstrual blood and mix it in the food and drinks they give them. They serve their husbands so that they love them more ardently. 3 centuries later, Agrippa von Nettesheim, the German doctor and Kabbalist who was historiographer to Charles I of Spain, described in his work De Occulta Philosophia the numerous and contradictory properties attributed to menstrual blood. According to Agrippa, this substance had the ability to sour new products, sterilize crops, destroy swarms of bees, and cause rabies in dogs. However, it was also believed to have healing properties, being used to treat epilepsy, tertian and quartan fevers, as well as to stop fires, whirlwinds, and storms. In another chapter of his book, Agrippa mentions the supposed aphrodisiac virtues of menstrual blood by stating that when you want to be loved, you must look for some of the animals that love the most, such as the dove, the turtle dove, the sparrow, and the swallow. It is necessary to take a member or the parts of which the venereal appetite dominates the most, such as the heart, the testicles, the womb, the penis, the sperm, and the menstruations or rules. Later, Agrippa mentions that the fascinators, to give love, use venereal eye drops, the blood of doves or sparrows and other similar birds.